Hello guys, today I will show you how to make disappearing blocks for obby. I am gonna make obby stairs using scripts. So first thing you need to have a part, and this is gonna be our stair, and we are gonna just copy it multiple times. I'm gonna change the material to glass. Okay, so now add a script. We need to get the part. And then write for I equals 1, and here you can type a number of how many stairs you want to be. I'm gonna do 100. And now you need to clone it. Set the name to the... So at first it is gonna be part 1, then part 2, part 3, and so on. Now create a folder in workspace. Name it stairs. And we are gonna have all of our stairs there. So write clone.parent equals game.workspace.stairs. So all of that 100 stairs will gonna be inside the stairs folder. Now we need to set the position and the rotation. So my stair is 1 stat high. So we are gonna make it 1 stat higher. So it will gonna be like this. And we need to also set the rotation. And you can see that when you copy it, so to make it stairs, we need to rotate it less than 15 degrees. So I'm gonna do -10. Also, I forgot that you have to add the part position, because then it will just set this position to 0 and 0, so it's like in the middle. The same with rotation. And now I want to also change the color every time. So I'm gonna make this color equals color 3 dot from RGB. Find a random number from 0 to 255. For all. Okay, and at the end we need to just set the part, this one, to our clone. So then next time we loop, we can be 1 stat higher than the clone and 100 more times. So let's see how it looks. Anchor it. There is one mistake, because you need to set the orientation, not the rotation. And now you have the stairs. So next, when you are in game, select all of the parts in a folder and hit copy, pause the game, add them to workspace, and there you have it. I'm gonna also make a platform right there, just to make it better. Okay, so once you got it, create a folder, add all of the stairs to the stairs folder. Okay, so now we can delete this script because we don't need it anymore, and let's create a new one. And now we are gonna get the collection service. And check all of the parts in your stairs folder and set tag to whatever you like. I am gonna set this to disappear. So what we are going to do is just for all the stairs that have this tag, we want them to disappear after someone touch them. So get the stairs. We are gonna do this by getting get tagged event, and now we pass here your tag that you named them. In my case it's disappear. So basically here you have all of your tagged objects. We need to loop through them and add a script to all of them. So let's write a touched event. Touched connect function. Hit is basically what touched it. So we need to check if this is a humanoid, if hit that parent, find first child, humanoid, then so we are basically searching if the part that touched it has a humanoid in it, and if it does, then we want to use the Tween service. And what Tween service does is it lets you create smooth animations. Make it as a variable. This is how you create it. And now we need the instance, so we are gonna use the stair. We need tween info, so let's create one. The time is how long do you want the animation take. So I'm gonna write like in seconds, so I'm gonna write 2, and here you can change the easing style, the easing direction. I'm gonna set the easing style to linear, so it's like classic. Okay, so let's pass this here. We need a property table, and in this table you are setting your goals for the part to make. So for example, we want our part after being touched to be fully transparent. So we want the transparency to be 1, and make sure there are no misspellings, because it's really important that it's the same name as the property. We basically just want the transparency to be 1, so we are gonna make, let's go. We need to activate it. We use Tween play. When the part will be fully transparent, they calculate to false. Okay, so let's see how it works. You see it's working. But we need to now make it back. What I am gonna do is just copy this, paste here, change the name, and change the transparency to 0. And after the stair will be transparent, we want to wait, for example, 3 seconds, and then create a new tween, but with another goal, and just play it, and make sure to change the can collide back to true. You can also add this tags.wait function just to let the player have more time to go through. And this concept basically works on any part, so it can be, I don't know, platforms or anything, not just stairs. Add here another completed event to the Tween 2, and when completed set the can collide to true. Okay, so this is the whole code. As you can see, it's working. It's so fun to play, not gonna lie. And if this tutorial was helpful, make sure to subscribe, because there will be more tutorials soon. Like the video, I don't know. That's all for today. Bye.